Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language on a Renault Laguna. It's a 2010 model. We had to change the language as the customer required us to do, and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself if you need that. Before we start our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car, give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. We have more than 150 other videos on how to reset different menus or oil changes or services, tire pressure indicators on different model cars. If you like, you can watch them all on our channel. As I mentioned, we had to change the language to English because it was in Dutch, and I'm going to show you how I did it. And I'm going to change it back to Dutch, just to show you how we did it. As you can see, it's in English. Yes, we're going to use the right thumbstick over here. Yes, the ignition must be on, or the car is in idle, so the car is starting now. We're gonna go through the menu till we find this one, settings menu, press and hold. Once you have done that, press the upper button, then you enter a menu like this. Okay, you can scroll down by the right thumbstick by pressing up or down, and once you've done that, you have to find language on the menu on the dashboard. And it's this one. As you can see, it says language. Once you found that, press the upper or the down button, it doesn't matter. Keep pressing that till this menu appears here. Scroll down for the desired language. Let's say for Dutch. Once you have done that, press and hold, and that might do the trick. As you can see, the menu language is changed to Dutch. To go back through this menu, you have to use the thumbstick again. Go up to the arrow button on the top, press and hold, and you go back to your menu what you used to see, like this. Okay, I hope this helped you on changing the language on a Renault Laguna 2010 model. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it? Give us a thumbs up. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another video. Stay safe. Bye bye.